Hello guys, this is Tagro Farms. Because we want to keep a healthy farm, if you look at this plant, you will see that we have just a sucker. Not that we don't usually have other suckers popping up, but in my last video I talked about how you can actually keep a healthy plantation by leaving a sucker or two. But we decided to actually leave one sucker. It's going to make the mother plant healthy enough to actually utilize every nutrient to build herself. Likewise, leaving this behind. Why do you leave this behind? This plant is about 5 months old, 4 to 5 months old. So in 8 months or 9 months, fruiting begins, and you need this as a replacement. Very important. So you don't just leave one plant growing, or you leave a lot of suckers growing with the mother plant. If you leave lots of suckers growing with the mother plant, they're going to share the nutrients which she requires to grow. But with this, it's balanced. So in 9 months time, or in 6 months time, or in 7 months time, depending on the variety, but perhaps in 8 months or 9 months time, fruiting begins. And then you need this as a replacement, because once the fruit matures and you cut off the fruit, the banana fruit, this will come as a replacement. I think I've thought about it before, so very important. And also trim. And then, so today what we're going to be doing is actually trimming. Not just trimming, we're going to be actually cutting off dead leaves in our plant. In our farm, we're going to be cutting off the dead leaves. You can see it's very important you actually note about this. Once the leaves, these dead, decaying, dry leaves, once they are in this manner, please do cut them off, because they harbor diseases that can actually attack the plant. And likewise pests. Here you're going to see cobwebs, not as much as they form the ecosystem, but you're also going to see maybe grasshoppers and fungus. They all build up in the dead, dry leaves. So it's very important you actually cut them off. I'm going to show you the ones we've already cut off. This is what you do. Just put them out. Before we continue, please do well to subscribe to our channel, Tagro Farms, so that anytime we post, you're gonna see the notification as a pop-up. So this is how you cut them off. Very important. So guys, like I said, because we want to maintain a healthy plant, it's good to cut off. Now we want to stop further growth, further popping of suckers. You see, I did actually cut this one before, but it's actually popping up again. So I want to actually continue. If you look at this one and see how clean this one is, so we're going to continue with this one, some of these ones that are here.